Hey guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can block Meta on TikTok. Meta or Facebook, they're all related and all owned by the same company. So to block each and every app related to Meta and Facebook, you need to open TikTok on your mobile phone. Once when you're at TikTok, you have to click the top right corner search bar. And here you have to write Facebook. You can open Facebook. And here, what you have to do is you have to block Facebook. Now you can see there is an arrow on the top right corner. You have to tap the arrow, click it. And once when you click it, you'll get the option to block Facebook and you have to click block. You've successfully blocked Facebook now. What you need to do is you have to go back to the search bar. And here you have to write Meta. You'll open the account of Meta in the same way and then block it just like you blocked Facebook. You have successfully blocked Meta as well. You can also go back to the search bar and search for any other metas that you find that you think might be related to Facebook. You can block this meta as well if you want to. And after that, what you can do is you can also search for any other apps owned by Facebook, which is Instagram. And you can also block Instagram in the same way as you blocked Facebook and Meta. Now there's another third-party application owned by Facebook company, and that is Threads. You can see that if you find Threads somewhere, I don't think there's an account of Threads, but let's see if there is. And if you find an official account of Threads, which is also owned by Instagram, which is also owned by Facebook, you can block it. Otherwise, you're good to go. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. That's how you can block Meta on TikTok. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.